how to remove powered by on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply remove powered by on Shopify. Firstly, when you guys log in into Shopify, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So from over here, what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to just simply click on online store over here on the left side. And then after that, click on themes. Now, once you guys do that, you guys are going to see this dashboard. Now click on actions. After that, click on edit languages. Now, once you guys do that, you guys are going to be greeted by this particular page. So now from over here, click on filter items and type in powered over here. So once you guys do that, you guys are going to see this particular page come up. So now from over here, simply remove this particular box of text and you guys can type in whatever you want. You guys can type in hallelujah if you guys want to. And then after that, of course, you guys can just simply click on save and this text is going to be saved. I'm not sure if I've typed in the spellings correctly, but you get the point. Like, you guys can put in whatever you want and that particular text is going to be appeared, and that particular text is going to be appearing over in your Shopify stores page instead of this shop is powered by Shopify. So click on save and now powered by Shopify is gonna be deleted. So guys, that is how easy it is to remove powered by Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.